Have a wonderful day, dear students. Today I will introduce you the new chapter number 26, synthesis of the sentences, part 1. Dear students, what is synthesis? Now you know that synthesis of the sentences means to join two or more sentences together. Now you know very well about the different conjunctions. We have studied about the conjunctions and you know very well how to use of the conjunctions. Okay. Now coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, made, compounded complex sentences, that all you have studied very well. Then after also you got the idea about the analysis of the sentences. How you will analyze the sentences, that's way you will have to combine the sentences. Both the process is same. In that analysis of sentences, you simply distribute means made part of the sentences principal clause, subordinate clause, compound. Okay, that's way. But here in synthesis you will have to join the sentences. Okay. Now dear students, one by one we are having some examples for study that I will explain you. I expect that you pay attention and understand well. Now here, he jumped up, he ran away. Okay dear students, so here by using the participle you can make the sentence combine. Okay, so I give you example. Jumping up, he ran away. You know very well, dear students, the past participle and the present participle, two are there. Okay, so using participle and perfect participle about having. So present participle we use and then we complete our sentence. We join the sentence. He jumped up, he ran away. So jumping up, he ran away. Understand very well, dear students? He jumped up, he ran away. Jumping up, he ran away. This way you join two separate sentences into the one sentence by using the participle. Now second is about using the phrase or noun. Okay, so how preposition of a phrase or a noun. So here is the one sentence. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He died in 1964. Okay, dear students, so you can write in this way. Nehru. Okay, Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, died in 1964. Okay, Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, died in 1964. So dear students, how you join the sentence? You first take the noun or preposition of the noun. So here we took noun Nehru. Nehru was the first Prime Minister. Means Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, these two noun or preposition to the noun combine, and then we also remove this type of pronoun which is repeated the same personality, and we continue this sentence and we join this sentence with this apposition to the noun or apposition to the noun or phrase of noun. So Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. It is joined as Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, died in 1964. So this way, phrase in a position or by using the noun, we can join the sentence and make synthesis. Now another sentence is that by using the preposition. Okay, how would you do? By using a preposition with noun or gerund. Okay, this way also you can join two sentences. So here two sentences are given. He has failed many times. He still hopes to succeed. So you can use in spite of. In spite of many failure, he hopes to succeed. Okay. In spite of many failure, he hopes to succeed. So here, dear students, what have you done? You use the phrase, prepositional phrase, in spite of, with a, you also made a phrase here of many failure. So this way, the preposition you can use with the phrase. This way you can also join the sentence and make combine this sentence and make a successful synthesis. Now next sentence, the soldiers arrived, the mob dispersed. Okay, dear students. So here the soldiers having arrived. This is about the nominative absolute construction. Okay. The mob dispersed. So the soldiers having arrived, the mob dispersed. So here the use of having. Okay. This way, with perfect participle, you can combine the sentences. He is very fat. He cannot run. Now you understand very well, dear students, about this type of sentence. You can use the infinitive to for this sentence. How do you do? He is too fat to run. This structure also is very familiar with you, okay, during the transformation of sentences. He is too fat to run. This way, dear students, you can join the different type of sentences, okay. Maybe sometimes two or more sentences are there. To join them, you will have to do some more practice. Now, I will tell you its exercises and its answers. If you practice very nicely, you will get the proper idea for combining the sentences. I will give you one more sentence. The sun rose. The sun rose, the fog disappeared. The fog disappeared. The general determined to delay no longer. He gave the order. He gave the order to advance. students, here is one of the big sentence. Three sentences are there. The sun rose. One sentence. The fog disappeared. Means fog disappeared. You know about all this situation. Okay. So this is another sentence. The general determined to delay no longer. Means he would not like to delay about his attack or whatever. But here, third sentence. He gave the order to advance. Now he ordered his soldiers. So this type of two or three sentences are there. So how do you join? Once you practice the small two sentences, as many as you can do this type of more than 2 or 3 sentences. Okay. So how will you do? At the sunrise. At the sunrise. When the sunrise, the fog disappeared. The fog disappeared. At the sunrise, the fog disappeared. The general what general did? General determined to delay no longer. Give the order to advance. By using different conjunctions also you can do all these things. But here in your first part there is a simple way synthesis are given. At the sunrise, the fog disappeared. The general determined to delay no longer gave the order to advance. Okay, this way you can join the synthesis if they are more than 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, dear students, at the sunrise, the fog having disappeared, the general determined to delay no longer give the order to advance. Now dear students, all about this part 1 synthesis. I will share you the exercise and more examples in your WhatsApp group, and then you will have a better idea about the synthesis. Now part 2 we will study in next video. Have a great day dear students. Bye.